Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at how you can use workgroups in Dialog as a way to manage which databases can be accessed by different Dialog users on your Dialog account. Workgroups are completely optional, but there are several good reasons why you might want to use them, and we'll talk about that, so let's get started. Workgroups are created and assigned in the MyRa administration or MyRA interface on Dialog. If you have MyRA privileges, you just log into Dialog, go to your username in the top menu, and click Administration from the drop-down. The MyRa Accounts tab shows a list of all the logins, and in an earlier video we saw how you can create a new user account from here. You can even choose a workgroup to put them in when you're creating the login. The other tab is for the MyRa Workgroups. This is a training account, so we have quite a few workgroups already created. Engineering Construction, for example, has 6 databases, and using Edit, we can see a check mark next to each database in this workgroup. To see how this works, let's create a new workgroup, and then we'll assign it to some existing users. Suppose we have some searchers who only work with business information. I can click Create a New Workgroup and give it a name like Business. I'll go down here to clear all check marks and then choose some business databases. I'll check ABI Inform, both advanced and market research, business and industry, some Gale Group databases, and also the newspaper database would be useful. Above the databases, I can also choose some group default settings, like whether to search with autocomplete or US and UK spellings or automatic plurals. And when I click Save, this workgroup is created. Now, to put some searchers in this workgroup, I can go back to the main tab of MyRa Accounts, select the user logins who just do business searches, and change their workgroup to business. I can do this either one at a time using Edit. Notice I can email the information to the user before I click Save. Or I can check off multiple logins on the left side, then go to the top and click Add to Workgroup there, and all of the selected users will be in the business workgroup. This means that going forward, those people will only have access to the databases in the business workgroup, and in fact, when they log into Dialog, those are the only databases that they'll even see. Now, one scenario where workgroups can be really helpful to control your costs is when you have one or more databases that you've subscribed to. With a database subscription, your people can download unlimited records from the subscribed database at no additional cost per record. If you have some subscription databases, you might want to create a workgroup for just those databases and assign that workgroup to any of your Dialog searchers who really only need those databases. So let's say you have subscriptions to Embase and Medline. You can create a workgroup with just those 2 databases, maybe call the workgroup Subscriptions, and assign an appropriate number of your users to that workgroup. And whatever those users download, you will know that it's already paid for by your subscriptions. And then for any users who do need more content and know how to use it, you can create a broader workgroup with more databases, or just put those higher level searchers in the default workgroup so that they can use all of Dialog's content. So that's it. Workgroups may not be for everyone. Many Dialog customers prefer that all of their searchers have access to all of Dialog. But if you want to analyze your Dialog usage and you see different kinds of research needs across different parts of your organization, then you may find that workgroups are a good way to go for you. And if so, you'll find that workgroups are really very easy to create and manage using the MyRa administration interface. If you have questions or need help, here's how to contact us, and here are some links to additional materials. Thanks for using Dialog, and enjoy the rest of your day.